Hey guys, so I've been using GoPro Hero 8 Black extensively since the day it was actually released, and after almost 2 months I found a major issue with it. And if you have Hero 8 Black, then maybe you don't even realize that your camera is faulty. Alright, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tomasz Nowacki and I make videos solely focused on GoPro. So if you are interested in it, consider subscribing. And the topic of today will be that I ran into a major issue with GoPro Hero 8 Black. Perhaps that's not gonna concern you, but it happened to me, and from what I read on Facebook pages and forums, other people have it as well. So as soon as I got my Hero 8 Black, I decided that I have to go out simply and shoot something with it. And my idea was to actually go and shoot a night lapse of stars. So I set my camera to 30-second exposure, certain ISO, I don't remember, maybe 800 or 1600 ISO. Now please take a closer look at the video that I prepared, okay? So basically what we have here is either dust on the sensor or maybe some dead pixel. I'm really not an expert, so if you know it, perhaps you can write it in the comment section below so we can all help each other. Now please, if you have Hero 8 Black, set it to night photo or night time-lapse, go somewhere dark when there's gonna be no light at all, and just take a photo or a night lapse. Make sure that you set your camera to at least 20 or 30-second exposure. And set your camera to wide, because in linear field of view you actually your photo or night lapse gonna be actually cropped, so you will not see the full sensor of your camera. And look for anything suspicious like a red dot or blue dot, like in my case. And as I said, it happened to me, and I've seen the same problem on various forums on Facebook pages, which I'm a member of, and people complain about it. I'm not sure how serious is this problem. I contacted GoPro about it, and they told me that they need to see it actually on the camera, not on the photo or a video that I share with them. So actually I have to take a photo of the camera file within the camera. So if you have a problem like that and you took a photo or night lapse with long exposure, just make sure that the sensor is clear, because let's be honest, you pay $400 for a camera. This thing should work, yeah? And it doesn't work as advertised, so warranty return, yeah? So that's it for today. I hope I help you out. Perhaps you didn't even know that you have some issue with your camera, and I just managed to actually give you a tip, a heads up, just to check it out. As always guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumb up. This way you always help tremendously to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already and you are interested in this content, and see you in the next one. Bye.